All right, let's take a live look at the Vatican City, I should say, where there is growing concern for the health of the Pope. Pope Francis remains in the hospital for a 10th day in critical condition. The Vatican says blood tests show early kidney failure. Let's bring in CBS News papal contributor Delia Gallagher. She joins us live from Rome with the very latest. Delia, thank you so much for joining us. We just got an update from the Vatican saying Pope Francis's condition is generally improved. That's good news. What more do we know?
That's right, Liz. This is encouraging news, I have to say, especially after this weekend. The Vatican says it's slightly improved, meaning he hasn't had any further respiratory crises. He has been able to reduce the amount of oxygen flow when he was using the nasal tubes to get some of the oxygen. It was on a very high flow. They've been able to reduce that. And the kidney failure that was concerning yesterday, they say, is not a concern at the moment. So in all, it's a picture which is slightly more encouraging, as I said. And of course, they added that the Pope worked this afternoon and indeed called the Catholic parish in Gaza, which is something that he has been doing on a regular basis for the past few months. So that information also gives you a sense that Pope Francis is feeling a bit better. So certainly some encouraging news in the last hour. Liz?
That is encouraging news, Delia. But how are Catholic leaders reacting to the Pope's health crisis?
Well, mainly at the moment, Liz, what we're seeing is an outpouring of prayer services being led in parishes around the world. I have to say, if you can see behind me just here, the Basilica is set up in about 2 hours. All of the cardinals who live in Rome and who work at the Vatican are going to hold a prayer service right out here. So certainly, obviously, the response on the part of Catholic leaders when a pope is in the hospital is prayer and getting everybody together to offer prayers for his health. Liz?
At the center of it is all about prayer. All right, CBS News Vatican contributor Delia Gallagher live for us from Rome. Thank you so much, Delia.